Hi patrons, showing you installation video of how do you install your heavy duty luggage rack on a detachable Pan Am backrest. So you will notice that the backrest comes with this slot here. In this slot, it's like an adjustable slot. You can move the backrest, move the luggage rack front and back. If you move it all the way back, you will essentially get a larger storage space here, right? If you move it all the way front, that storage space will get limited. And the installation is fairly straightforward. You get these carriage bolts. You would have got 4 carriage bolts. These kind of M8 nuts and washers. The carriage bolt will basically go from outside. This part of the carriage bolt, the square part, actually is aligned to this particular slot. So once you put the carriage bolt inside, it will lock. The washer here, put thread locker on the threads here, and screw up your nuts, all 4 nuts. That's all you have to do to install your luggage rack on the on a Pan America detachable backrest. Thank you.